Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Sparkle Cooking. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make tasty gram lentils halwa. So, first we start with the ingredients. 1 kg gram lentil, 1 kg sugar, 3 cups of clarified butter, milk or water for boiling lentil, ground cardamom as required, chopped raisins as required, chopped almonds as required, chopped pistachio as required, grated coconut as required, silver paper or foil as required. Recipe: clean and wash gram lentil. Then soak in water for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, boil the soaked gram lentil in water or milk until the gram lentil becomes soft and the milk or water dries up. Finely grind the boiled gram lentil on a grinding stone or in a chopper. Now turn on the stove, heat the pan, and add cardamom seeds to it. When you smell the cardamom, add ground gram lentil and mix well. Now add half the amount of sugar to it and mix well. Once the sugar is almost mixed, add clarified butter and roast well. After that, add the remaining sugar and cook on medium flame and stirring constantly. Add some chopped almonds and raisins while roasting gram lentil. Once you feel the aroma of gram lentils halwa and it tends to repel the pan bottom, halwa is ready. Now take out the halwa in a beautiful bowl and sprinkle chopped pistachios, grated coconut, raisins, and chopped almonds inside the bowl and decorate with silver foil or paper and serve it with your loved ones. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos and share them.